Now, in the studio, I got one of my good friends from Hawaii. I grew up with this fella. His parents and my parents were good friends, and we've been friends for a while. We all went to BYU also. Yeah, his name is Gary Kamauoha. How are you doing, my man?
Hey, good morning, brother. It's good to see you, man. You look good.
Yeah, man. Thank you. You've dyed your hair.
I know, man. My wife is pissed off, man. She says it looks ridiculous. But anyway.
When did you dye it? When did you dye your hair?
Yesterday, man.
I think you dyed it also the last one of your other trips to Samoan, right?
It came out bad, man. It was like reddish.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. It wasn't good. But
so Gary and I go back over here, and then they grew up at Pesenga, right?
Yeah. We left here when I was a teenager.
Yeah, man. How's your mom?
Yeah, she's doing very well. Yeah. Strong.
Yeah.
So,
I keep seeing her pictures on Facebook, and now she always messages me too.
Well, she's been asking about you, your brother, your mom, and stuff. So, yeah.
She was good. She was a big help for us, man. We were at BYU.
Oh, yeah. You used to see you guys. You guys were fiaola all the time, man. You and Agan, we always used to dance at the Polynesia Culture Center. Remember those days?
Yeah.
Pushing canoes and dancing.
That's right, man. Yeah. Fun days, huh?
The single days, yeah? Well, you guys.
Fun days. Well, that's right, because you got married early, huh?
Yeah, that's right.
I remember I was the best man at your wedding.
That's right. And Agan was the best man at my brother's wedding.
Edwin. Edwin's now also a lawyer.
That's right. He's in South Carolina.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Because he was one of the attorneys here in American Samoa.
Oh, yeah. The wife wanted to move, man. She didn't like it over there.
So they moved where?
To South Carolina. He got a job there working for a pharmaceutical company. Doing consultation stuff.
So I thought they moved back to Utah. No? So from Huila, they moved to South Carolina.
Yeah.
Have you been to visit him over there?
Yeah, twice.
Nice place?
Yeah, it's good enough, but not like Hawaii, man.
No, Hawaii's better,
miss the ocean, miss the water. Can't live over there, dude.
Where in Hawaii do you live now?
On the North Shore.
North Shore?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah, same place.
Yeah.
Oh, you still at Kahuku?
Well, we ended up buying a house over there, and my wife said, hey, let's buy a house in Kahuku. I said, I don't want to move next to my mom. Well, guess what, man?
Yeah, you do.
Ended up buying a house right around the block.
Did they still have that golf course across the street?
Yeah, but now they charging you, man. You know. But you got to walk. They don't have golf carts.
That's right. That's okay. Because we used to go there all the time because it wasn't far from BYU.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's where you started golfing then?
Yeah, from here with my dad.
Yeah.
And then I got a partial scholarship from the school.
Oh, cool.
And our home course was Turtle Bay.
Oh, yeah, man. Turtle Bay is still, it's beautiful. It's a good course, man.
So you spend most of your time after school, you went in the Army, right?
Yeah, man. After high school, 2 weeks after I graduated, I was in the Army already. 1981, June.
Yeah, that's around. You start off with an ROTC, right? Is that it?
No, I was enlisted before. Then I saw the light. I went to college, got my Reserve Officers Training Corps commission through the ROTC at UH. And then from there, I just moved up the ranks. Yeah.
How many years did you serve?
34 years.
Wow.
Dude, 24 is reserve and 10 was active duty.
And when you say active duty, did you go to other countries?
Yeah, I served twice in Afghanistan. I was there. My last assignment was the garrison commander for the largest U.S. military installation in the country. So I applied for the job.
In Afghanistan?
Yeah, in Afghanistan. So the commander...
What year was that?
Oh, this was 2011 to 2012.
Okay.
That's where I saw another local boy, man. He was over there too. A guy named Charles Tobin.
Charles Tobin.
Charles Tobin from Lokopa.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's his last name?
Tobin.
Tobin.
Yeah.
And he was also serving in Afghanistan when you were there.
Yeah.
And how did you guys meet? Did you know each other before then, or you just accidentally ran into him?
I ran into him by accident. I was on my way to...
Where, at the food?
No, man, I was in Bagram. I went to Kabul for a meeting, and I walked into this headquarters building. He was standing right there.
Yeah. And you just saw him, and you
I recognized him, and we started jamming in Samoan, man. We started speaking. Yeah.
Is that sort of weird seeing a Samoan in the service?
Well, it's weird when the guy's from Upolu. We're from Upolu, right? Born and raised in Apia. So, but seeing him, he was working for a 2-star general there, so he was like command sergeant major, and I was a colonel commander for the U.S. Army garrison in Bagram. But he was working for a 2-star general there.
So you served twice in Afghanistan. So
my first time was in 2004 to 2005. I went with the 25th Infantry Division.
And then you went again in 2011 to 2012.
I volunteered twice. Yeah. So.
Do you get like extra money when you go to these deployments?
Oh yeah, definitely, man. Yeah.
So you've retired, right?
Oh yeah, I retired in 2015, but then I worked for the federal government right after. So
doing
as a GS.
What's a GS? Good soldier.
Schedule. No, man, GI. It's just working for the federal government as Department of the Army civilian. Yeah. So I was doing plans and operations for one of the installations over there, Schofield Barracks, and at Walklow training area on the Big Island.
That's right, because you also lived on the Big Island.
Yes.
Were you there when the volcano erupted and the lava was?
Oh yeah, so I was on leave.
Like 5 years ago?
I was on leave, and I was hoping the lava would run over the base and I'd have to go back to work. Nah, it was like about 7 miles away from the base, so we were okay.
You're okay. You still have your Harley Davidson?
Oh yeah, it's still parked over there underneath the house in the Big Island. I want to sell that, man.
Because you do have a house in the Big Island too, right?
Yeah, I ended up buying another house over there. 'Cause I was tired of paying rent.
Good move.
Bought a house over there. Now we rent it out. We keep a unit available for us, and I rent out the other 3 units. Yeah.
How much does it cost to fly from Oahu to the Big Island?
Well, I fly for free, man, because my wife works for Hawaiian Airlines, so.
Free 99?
Yeah, free, man. Even coming to Pongo is like free, but it's
really?
Gotta pay
the tax.
The tax, man. Yeah.
And then when you land in Pongo on Hawaiian Airways, then you just jump on Samoa Airways and come in? Or
expensive, man, from Pongo to Apia.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my God, it's like $350 round trip. Yeah. US. So I flew through from Honolulu to Apia direct on Fiji Air. It like cost just as much. Yeah.
Wow, just the same amount of money flying from Hawaii to here.
It was like 400 or something.
Compared to
350, yeah.
For a 25-minute flight.
Yeah, because Hawaiian Airlines has a code share with Fiji Air. So I jumped on a standby flight, and it was wide open.
I heard Hawaiian Airlines was trying to fly into Samoa.
Yeah, I heard about that too, but somebody put a stop to it.
No kidding, huh?
Yeah, I heard. Yeah, that's what I heard. Back then.
Yeah, because they were trying to get the rights, because we don't have an aircraft, right?
Yeah.
The only way to lower these airfares is to have a company that comes in and takes over our air rights, right? So they can fly anywhere Samoa is supposed to fly or can fly to.
I know.
And we just take 30% or 40% of the profit, and that's it, man. We're happy. Well, at least now we can compete with the other airlines and keep airfares down.
I know. So maybe the government can try again, maybe.
I hope so.
You guys get in a plane, I heard, eh?
I hope so. Yeah. But maybe we should not get a plane, but maybe we should start with code sharing first, Get a company like Hawaiian Airways or Airlines. They come here, we give them all our Samoa rights. And take 30% or something, or 40 or whatever. But
man, you got to work it out with Alaska because they took over Hawaiian. So.
That's right, Alaska, right?
Yeah.
So how long are you here for?
So I leave tomorrow, man.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, I was here for the Miss Samoa pageant because my niece was running for Miss Samoa.
So you came to support her. What's her name?
Yeah, her name is Maruseana Sititi, man.
Okay.
She came first runner-up.
Sititi, is that related to Semo?
Yeah, so my wife and Semu's wife, they're sisters.
Oh.
Yeah, so
your nephew is the All Blacks.
Oh yeah, Wallace. Yeah, Wallace, yeah. We went to Chicago to watch his game. And I was in Palau racing, like canoe racing. And then I flew straight to Boston, Chicago, watched the game between Ireland and the All Blacks. Flew back here. So then from here, I fly home for a couple of days. Then I go to Cook Islands for another race. Rarotonga.
And after the Cook Islands?
Yes.
Where do you fly?
Then I go back to Honolulu. Man, I've been gone a whole month, man, from home pretty much.
Really? You've been all over the world, but then, how does your wife feel about this? You're getting to fly all over the place and she's staying home?
Oh, I have to kakai lalo. she said I've been gone too long, too much, man. Yeah,
Does she have a nickname for you?
No, man. She just said, "Get your ass home."
No, sorry, I can't say that. Yeah, see, my nickname for you is Party Boy.
Oh man, no, those days are gone, man. I'm like, I've toned down a lot, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
Who were you with? I saw a picture. I think Agent sent us a picture last night. You guys were at Tomasina.
Oh yeah, was Neville and
Neville.
Lionel?
Oh, the brothers. Yeah,
Yes,
the
and
Moore
Sally
brothers.
Moore.
Sally Moore, the pilot.
Yeah, the pilot. Mm-hmm. Well, there's two pilots, and then Neville. He works for the government, I think, in New Zealand. Yeah. And then Agan and.
What time did you guys break up last night?
Well, line 10, man. We had to leave because Agan said, "Let's go home." I said, "Man, come on."
Agan's
man.
like me, man. And when it's time to go, time to go. There's like a little switch in our brains.
Yeah. Well,
It
he
just
tried
says-
it two times. Let's go. I said, "No, one more."
Yeah, you know. Are you staying with him?
Yeah, man. I'm staying up the house.
And you got a rental car?
Yeah. AA Rentals, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you tried my friend Shannon?
Oh no, man! I forgot to call him.
Yeah, Shannon always gives us good rates, man.
Yeah. Shit. Okay, next time.
Zach's Rentals, I think it's called. Yeah.
Oh. Okay. I'll next time. I'll give him.
Zach's Rental.
Zach's Rental.
And they can even bring the car to the airport, pick it up to you, at the airport. You know what? When we flew over, there was 3 of us. We had 8 bags. Well, 7 bags, and I bought some paddles for my boys.
Oh, dang.
You should go teach, but Rudolph's not here, but Corey's here. You should teach him how to, because Winslow always says, you boys are young, you're strong, but you do not have the technique.
Yes. I should recruit. They should recruit Agan, man. That guy needs to get into shape, man. Back in shape.
So I bought him a couple paddles, so that was our 8th piece.
Oh.
And so I messaged Shannon. I said, "Hey man, you got a van that can be delivered to the airport? And we'll just use it to go home, and then we'll drop it off after." Yeah. So we got home. We got busy unpacking. We forgot about it that we came in this van. So he sent his son up to come and pick it up.
Oh.
Yeah.
Man.
Great service. Thank you, Shannon and Clara.
Now I know you got paddles. Next time I'll just come here and grab a paddle and go paddle.
You should. And then go with one of the boys and you can teach him.
Yeah.
But Rudolph's away. He was in Pango doing a concert over there. It was a siva competition. It's almost like Holaulea. What was that competition in Hawaii?
Oh, the Molokai Hoi?
Yeah.
From Molokai to Oahu?
No. The dancing
Oh, the
competition.
dancing competition. Oh, the hula competition?
Yeah, that one.
The Mary Monarch.
That's right.
Yeah.
So now they're having one like that in Pango.
Oh, yeah?
So they've been having it for a few years. So they contacted us, and so Rudolph and Marlon packed all the stuff in our truck. They went over and did it just this past weekend.
Oh.
So that's done.
Interesting.
And so now they can say next year they're going to invite schools from Samoa, schools from Hawaii to compete, New Zealand, Australia to come over and compete with them in American Samoa.
Oh, that'd be
It's gonna
awesome.
be huge, yeah. So after that, they're going to go back towards the end of the month. I think the last weekend of this month.
Yeah.
They got Punia Lava. They got a big concert happening over there. Marina Davis and so they're also going to fly again to American Samoa and knock that concert off.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so I haven't been to American Samoa in a while, but so you're here. When do you go back?
I fly out tomorrow, man.
So-
Friday, Fiji Air.
And you go directly home.
Take 3 days, and then I gotta get ready to fly out to Rarotonga for the Wakaiva, man. Yeah.
Really? So you guys got a team that goes there?
No, I'm just falling into other paddlers, like the 4 of us from Hawaii, and we're just meeting another couple from
so you guys
New
just form a
Zealand,
team
and
over
we're
there.
and then that's our team. It's a
Oh,
mixed
beautiful.
team. But I'll probably race with the men too. So there's a mixed crew, and then a men's crew and a women's crew. So I'll probably find another men's crew to jump in. Because it's around the island. Rarotonga is a race,
It's
change
a
race.
Yeah, it's not that big. But the longest one that you've been on is like from Hawaii to
It's from Molokai to Oahu. It's like a 41-mile race.
41 miles.
Yeah, we took the gold, man, for our division. Yeah, we broke the record, man, from 2018 for just the 60s division, the men. So we did good, man.
And 6 of you.
Yeah, it was a Helani Canoe Club. Yeah.
How long did it take you guys to paddle 41 miles?
It took us 5 hours, 50 minutes.
Wow.
Yeah. But the fastest times was the Tahitians, man. They're like the best.
Really?
I think ADT came in first, and then Xiaoba. Yeah, and then I can't remember the other Tahitians.
Were you paddling against the wind or going with the wind?
It wasn't wind. It was kind of flat this year, man. It was. Yeah, it was
So it was okay.
It was okay. There was no big waves.
Yeah,
I mean,
that's good.
the bigger would have been better, faster,
Really?
and more wind. But it was flat, man. It was hard, dude.
It was hard.
Yeah, until we got closer to Hawaii Kai, we could see. I mean, we went on the inside, so we used to do that run all the time in our one-man canoes. And so the guy that was steering us, he's a surfer, so he knows the waves, the currents. So
What's it like living in Hawaii now? It's expensive?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah?
It's getting expensive, and with the government shutdown, man. Oh my God, some people are starting to hurt.
Yeah, what's going on with the government shutdown? I mean,
don't know,
there's been
man.
traffic problems. There've been almost planes crashing,
Yeah, there's
near collisions.
just the Democrats and the Republicans won't agree on certain
What's
things.
what's Hawaii's take on Trump?
I don't know. I voted for Trump, so my daughter voted for the Democrats. I didn't Biden.
No, for the lady.
Yeah. But I don't know, man.
Yeah,
As long as they don't interfere with our pay.
That's right. Yeah, you're good.
Retirement.
Sometimes there's other things you worry about. You don't have to worry about that because you can't do anything about it. You
Yeah.
can scream as loud as you want.
No, man. I got better things to do, like
That's
paddle
right, man.
canoe.
Paddle canoe and
And
enjoy
live
a
life,
beer.
man. Enjoy my life. Man.
All right, man. Well, good to see you, Gary.
Yeah, man. It's good to see you too, man.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm just saying this, but I'm not sharing. So he gave me a Hawaiian host, that one. See, that one. And he also gave me this one. Yeah, and I'm not sharing. Okay, I just put it out there. All right, man. Good to catch up with you, Gary.
Yeah.
And for those of you that know Gary, Gary Kamauoha from Hawaii.
And if you're selling pololo, let me know.
Do you have a number people can call?
Call Egan's number. I don't have a number.
Okay, well, just call my number, all right? He's looking for some to buy some pololo. All right, let's take you back to the music. Rex Ati Rai, since you are going to the Cook Islands, we're going to play a song from the Cook Islands, okay? So, coming up.
Malo Lele, my name is Jay Strings. And I'm over here kicking it with Corey on the radio. Opalahiatu.